Wow, DoorDash got me out here delivering to clowns. Zero tip. I knew Dennis was a freaking clown. I knew this man was a clown, bro. Ooh.
Oh my God. Really, nigga?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. You know what time it is. We about to raise that acceptance rate with DoorDash. I'm currently paused right now. It is 11 o'clock in the morning, guys. Early is that one thing, but I was able to schedule me a shift out in advance. So we're gonna be on until about 2:30 today. So that's a 3-hour block right there. We should be able to get all the way to 50%, hopefully. I'm gonna go ahead and unpause this dash right now while I'm heading over to my zone. But before I do, I'm gonna check my ratings. We are at a 4.95 on the customer rating. Somehow my customer rating went down by 1 point. I guess these non-tipping clowns that I've been delivering to getting in their feelings and trying to mess up my customer rating. But that's okay. I ain't too much worried about it. We sitting at 34% on the AR. Man, I started at 13% when I started this journey to raise my acceptance rate. And I would have never thought that I would have made it this far, because look at here. It is so hard to raise your acceptance rate and still make money at the same time. If you're a brand new Dasher, it's your first time stopping by, I'm about to get right into this. I ain't about to play no games. I'm about to make this money. Look, got 3.5 miles at Chick-fil-A, and it's perfect because I'm actually heading right there already. This is the light that you need to go through to get to Chick-fil-A, so that's perfect. Low miles, I love it. You could have got some high mileage when you're dealing with earn by time, so I appreciate that. I actually think I have delivered to them before. Earn by time, first order of the day. Hopefully that one raised me up to 35%. Is it a tip?
Oh,
no, it is not. Wow. Wow, look at that. No tip. Wow, DoorDash got me out here delivering to clowns. That's crazy. I'm just trying to raise my AR. Good thing I'm on earn by time. We got $7.10 in base pay, bro. That's crazy, boy. DoorDash be tweaking out here. Boy, I can't wait till I get high priority, boy. I'm just gonna be doing the busiest times, you know, lunch shift and dinner shift, and I'm gonna be, man, this is crazy right here. Looks like we're gonna be heading to Steak and Shake, guys. We got a 4-mile Steak and Shake order. Here you go, right here. Ooh, it's 5 seconds left on that mug. Let me hurry up and accept it. I had to glitch out a 12-mile delivery, man. They sent me a 12-mile McAllister's Deli delivery. Like, nah, bro, you can keep that. So I threw it right back to the algorithm, hit that DoorDash glitch, and now we got a 4-mile delivery. And the only thing that'll make this better is if I get a stack. Hopefully my AR is still going in the right direction. As long as I'm completing like 2 out of every 3 deliveries, I should be good to get over 50%. But if I'm doing like 1 for 1, accepting 1, declining 1, accepting 1, glitching 1, then we may run into some issues. But right now we good though. That's Steak and Shake right over there. So that was perfect time. $4 base pay, $1 tip. I think Uber Eats about to send me an order. I just heard that trip radar noise. Not bad. $1 tip. Hey, it's better than a 9 tipper, and Steak and Shake wasn't that far. I'm okay with it. You know, at this point, I'm like, look, let me just hurry up and get out of this little, you know, this little bottom of the acceptance rate zone where I got to deal with these people, because I'm getting to the point where I just can't take it. I'm not going to be letting my acceptance rate drop down after I get it back up. I can't be dealing with these types of customers, doing these kinds of deliveries, getting no tip and low tips. Like, that is not the way to dash. So if you a new dasher out there, please beware, heed my warning, okay? Do not let your acceptance rate fall, because you will go through hell to get it back up, and you will make no money or significantly less money suffering and struggling just trying to get your AR back up so you can be able to make money. Yes, sir. This is so funny, bro. Tell me why we heading right back to the college campus, bro. Oh my goodness. Offer came in. We got a stack, Chipotle and Chick Salad Chick. Both of those is going straight back to the college campus. Order number 3 and order number 4 right here. Let me go ahead and accept that. Where we going first? Chipotle? Okay, perfect. That's drive-through pickup. We heading to Chipotle first, y'all. 37%. So I accepted a double stack, but it only raised my acceptance rate up by 1 point, man. We 13 points away from 50%. And once we get to 50%, we should see like a big difference on the earn by offer side at least. I don't know when I'm gonna do earn by offer, but we should definitely see a big difference once we switch that over. And man, I just might make it, y'all. Love Chipotle in all places that do drive-through pickup, because it makes getting the job done so much easier, because you don't got to get out and turn your car off and get your bag out and all that nonsense. You can just pull right up here, mobile pickup, give them the name, and keep it moving. See if they got this one ready. They may have it ready. Let's see. We are picking up for Benjamin. I think it's Benjamin, I believe. Yep, Benjamin M. See, look at that. Didn't skip a beat. All righty, thank you. I see you. That's why I like drive-through pickup right now. So now we can go ahead and confirm that one. Keep these wheels rolling. We heading over to Chick Salad Chick. And you know, even though you do get paid more on the earn by time feature, the earn by time side of things, hear me out. When I'm getting a stack, I much prefer one of them to go ahead and just be all the way ready. That way it can increase my chances of getting more orders done for this scheduled shift, because my thing is not to make the most money in this shift, which would be nice to make the most amount of money, but I'm trying to get the most orders done so I can set myself up for success later on by getting the best orders. Chick Salad Chick, we are picking up for Dallas E. Let me go on over this way, make sure I avoid all these people in this parking lot. When I pull in, I like to get the easiest spot to get in and out of there. In and out, in and out. Stop playing, y'all need to get y'all mind out the gutter. Look, hide up in here, see if they got Dallas's order ready, and then we heading back to the college campus, my favorite place in my whole zone. Dropping off order number 1 of this Doordash stack. Got a Chipotle order right here. It never be the first floor, people. They always be on the second floor. Every time. Looks like we're looking for 68. There we go. Enjoy. They gotta be a hand to me. But you know what? I already hit the button and everything. Check out that Doordash bag sitting on the ground. That's crazy. They in the next complex, like right over there. So I was able to hit the hand to customer button while I was over here. Little pro tip, get that timer started so you don't waste your time. Got that order dropped off, handed it directly to the customer. You know I gotta get my pitch. I plays no games. Boom. So now that we did that, we can go ahead and confirm everything. What's the tip gonna be? We got a $2 tip from one customer and a $1 tip from the other customer. $9.30 in base pay from Doordash, because these merchants suck. Man, if it wasn't for that base pay and that earn by time, I would be kind of pissed off, because that customer tipped me $2. The other one tipped me $1, and they both was basically 5 miles away. I don't even remember what this offer came in as. Let me see. Hold on. Yeah, so they both was almost 7 miles away, and they tipped like $1 and $2. So if it wasn't for earn by time, that would have been all bad. The time right now is 1:30, so we got a full hour left on this Doordash shift. Now, the only bad part is I got to drive like 3 miles back that way to get back within my zone. But let's see if we can get like at least 1 or 2 more, bro. That one only raised us to 37. So you know what? Let's just try to get 1 more. Because at this point, you know, I ain't going to make it quite to 40% or 50% because I need to get 3 or 4 more done. But let's just see if we can get 1 more done, get to 38%. And then that'll be good for this. Yes, sir, you see it, 38%, baby. Stop playing with me. Man, tell me why DoorDash just sent me an order for 12 miles and I accepted it. I am tripping out here, but you know what? I knew they was gonna do that because every single time I keep coming from this college campus, they send me a long distance delivery. Like, bruh, do y'all not want me to get high priority? They must not want me to get high priority, because this is crazy right here. Like, come on. I'm on earn by time. I'm trying to get my AR up. I cannot go outside of my zone, DoorDash. So you know what? I accepted it and I'm about to unassign it. I'm about to do it right now. Because I ain't got time, man. Check, you know what I'm saying? Like, for real. No. I'm going to keep it 100. I have an issue. It was something else. I don't feel like explaining myself. Go ahead, unassign with no pay. It is what it is. Look, 38% one way or another. Let's see if we can make it to 40. I have too many orders. Yes, there we go. Boom. We can hit that. And let's see if they send me something reasonable now that I'm over here away from the college campus. Oh my goodness, DoorDash, what are you doing to me, bro? They just sent me another 12-mile delivery. Like, what is going on? They do not want me They do not want me to make it to 50%. Well, guess what? I'll accept that one. And I'm about to unassign that one too. That's crazy. Like Doordash, I am not playing out here, bro. When I say I'm not going 12 miles away and I'm finna get my AR up, like I'm about to do that. And yes, I do have the glitch, so I can unassign orders that way, man. That's wasting too much time. I accidentally accepted the order. Boom, we finna go ahead, check that. And yes, we about to unassign that because we just unassigned 2 orders right there. I think my completion rate just went down from a 98% down to a 97. But guess what? Now I'm at 39%. Like if this how I gotta do it, this how we doing it, Doordash. Because if you wanna send me one of these close deliveries, I'll happily knock that out. Earn by time, that's cool. Low tip or no tip, more frequent, I get it. But you're not finna tell me low tips and no tips is more frequent and then turn around and give me a 12-mile delivery. I need 2 to 1 miles to money ratio if I'm going 12 miles away. And if I'm getting low tips and no tips, ain't no way I'm getting 2 to 1, because that would mean the customer would need to tip 24 to 25 bucks. And if you think a customer tipping 24 to 25 bucks, you crazy. And if you think they doing it on earn by time, you even crazier. And if you think a customer is finna order $20 worth of food on discount from 10 miles away and then tip 25 bucks, you crazier than everybody. So you know what? It is what it is. I'm at 97. I got a couple points to work with and before I hit 90, and I'm in that danger zone to where I can't unassign nothing. And if I have to, I just work with that, because look, this is what Doordash is giving me to work with, so this is how I'm gonna go ahead and jam out. Look, if you're enjoying this video, hit that like button and that subscribe button. Let's run these numbers up. Let's get this video to over 5,000 views. Stop playing, man. Come on. Because you see, I ain't doing no numbers right here, so I need y'all to help me out. Every single delivery that I have done today has gone to the college campus. Check this out. I just got an order. 4 miles, and look where it's at. I don't know if y'all can see that, but we got 54th Street, 4 miles, 5 seconds left on the timer. This is going to the college campus, guys. This is literally my 5th order of the day. I'm glad I unassigned them other orders because they tripping. Unless they send me like a little add-on or something. But let's see what this customer got. They got a New York cheesecake, flat iron steak, fried meat on the moon. Bro, this is the kind of customer I need. I don't need no customer that's ordering from 12 miles away. I got a better chance of getting an $8 tip from this customer than getting a $24 tip from either one of them other customers. What time this one is supposed to be ready? In 5 minutes. You can't ask for nothing better. I'm about to call this number and check in. Thank you. Have a good one. Alrighty. To the college campus we go. Yes, sir. We got that 54th Street dropped off at the college campus. Order number 5, keeping me alive. Oh my God, them people only tipped me $1. It's all good because I ain't give them no extra effort. I actually left it right there at the double sliding door because I knew they had probably had me messed up. You know, you can't put too much faith in these college kids. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I will take that. We heading to McAllister's Deli for a nice little down the street delivery, get me out of this college campus, and hopefully it raised me to 41. We picking up an order for Dennis D. I accepted an order on Earn by Offer the other night, and it said Dennis D, and it was $3 for 5 miles at Chipotle, and I unassigned that mug. Matter of fact, it was last night. I hope this ain't the same Dennis. I think this is actually going right to those apartments over there. I don't know if y'all can see that, but I'm gonna try my best to zoom in. There's some apartments right over there in the distance. We taking this right over there. That's absolutely crazy. You know what? If he want to order like this is fine. But, you know, don't be ordering from 5 miles away and then not tipping. Let's see if he decided to tip today. You know, we just going to make this one long clip because this is a pretty close delivery. I knew when I accepted it that it was fairly close, but I didn't realize that it was quite this close. This is just going right over here. We don't even need to get out on the main road, really. I could just take this little back way right here, this little side entrance, and I can make it all the way over there. This customer actually could have just really came over here and got this themselves, to be 100% honest with you. But you know what? It's cool though. They placed it for delivery. That means they paid more. Now, maybe they didn't have enough to tip. Maybe they did. I don't know just yet. But the main thing is this order got me to 41%. Y'all, let's go. So if I'm not mistaken, this right over here should take me right up in the neighborhood. Alrighty, FDA family, we made it to our Doordash delivery. Hopefully Dennis left a tip on that order. Or we might have to cuss him out. Let's see. Get that picture. Boom, good to go. Hop back in the car first, just in case I have to lose my mind just a little bit. Boom, so we got that going, man. Back in the car. I usually pull away from a customer house before I confirm it, but The main road's right here, so it ain't no point. We got it confirmed. What is it gonna be? Show me something good. 0 tip. I knew Dennis was a freaking clown. I knew this man was a clown, bro. Oh my goodness, man. Dennis is a clown, bro. If you watching this, Dennis, you are a clown. We got 3.6 at Wendy's. Man, I am taking that with the quickness. 42%, here I come. Let me get an add-on too. Who we taking to? Emily? All right, Emily, we on the way. Better be a tip on Doordash, you got me messed up. And Doordash customer, you got me messed up too. Y'all are some clowns, bro. They got me out here delivering to all these clowns just to get 50% acceptance rate. This is crazy. This family?
Yeah.
Thank you, thank you. Bro, do y'all see this little bitty ass, dingy ass Wendy's bag? Like, bro, if I had any hope that it was a tip on this order, I definitely have no hope no more. This the most sad looking Wendy's bag I've ever seen in my whole entire life. Like, these people have no effort, or they don't even try when they put the food in the bag. They don't try to make it look nice. They don't try to do a good job. I mean, them people in that Wendy's right there, they suck. And look, I used to work at Wendy's like 15 years ago, so don't get me wrong. Like, I respect my fast food workers and my Wendy's workers especially, but them people in there, I mean, it's literally one bag. I've come to Wendy's and gotten 3-4 bags at a time, and all of them perfect. How you mess up the tape on one bag? And it wasn't even ready when I got there. Them, they are trash, okay? We finna get this one dropped off. Last order of this little shift. We're gonna be at 42%. I just hope this customer left at least $1 or something. Don't be a total complete clown. If you're gonna be a partial clown, I mean, I thought that was an add-on. I was about to get happy. It ain't even no add-on, man. Look, it's lunchtime. We've been out here since breakfast time. I'm about to drop this off, go to the crib, mix this video down, and you better watch the whole thing. Stop playing with me. Lucky me, this is a hand-to-me order. So we get to hand it to our customer. We gotta go, what's this, a bank? Travel agency? I don't know what kind of place this is. I've never been here before in my life. Hello.
Got the drop-off order?
Yeah.
Awesome, thank you.
No problem. Let me get a quick Doordash picture. Hold up
The
now.
Doordash picture.
Man, stop playing with me. What?
Yes, ma'am. You ain't never ordered Doordash before?
Yeah, but they don't usually get a picture of it.
Gotta get that picture.
Really?
Verification. All right, now let's see what this tip looking like. It better not be 0. These customers got me messed up. I'm so tired of these 9 tippers. Even the ones that tip might get cussed out. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, you know what to do, man. Look, I'm about to end this dash. No, hey, hold up now. Okay, they ended it for me already. Okay, look, not bad. So for today, Friday, I made $40.83. And we did it in 3.5 hours of dash time, 2 hours and 10 minutes of active time, because I technically turned it on at 11 a.m. when I was at the crib, but I didn't leave out until like 11:25. I kept pausing it. Didn't even get my first order to about 12. Now we delivered to we delivered to 2 non-tippers and 2 $1 tippers. So we had a pretty rough day, you know. When you're out there delivering DoorDash and you have to encounter clowns, you know, that's a pretty traumatic experience. So if you enjoyed this traumatic experience that I just suffered through, you know, to basically make a little bit of money, gas money, I can fill my tank back up, hit that like button. Watch the next video.